In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own Telegram stickers. Firstly, open the Telegram app. In the search bar, type stickers and select the bot named stickers. Click Start to begin interacting with the bot. Type /new pack and send the message. Enter a name for your sticker pack. For example, we'll name it My Stickers. Create your stickers in PNG format with a size of 512 pixels. Click on the paperclip icon next to the message input field and select the file, and then choose the sticker from your gallery. And then send the file. After uploading the sticker, the bot will ask you to assign an emoji to it. For example, select a checkmark emoji if your sticker represents that. And you can continue to add more stickers by repeating the upload and emoji assignment process. When you're ready to publish, type Publish. The bot will ask you if you want to add an icon to a sticker pack. You can upload the icon or type Skip for this step. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.